Chicago-based Illinois Institute of Technology is set to expand its education cooperation with China. IIT President Raj Echembadi announced at the 7th China General Chamber of Commerce Chicago Annual Gala held recently in Chicago.
We're calling it Ascend China program. We want to set up multiple joint programs in China as well as a joint institute. We have actually signed an MOU with the university. The first strategy is what I would call as building capacities in China.
Echembadi also hailed the Chinese leaders' plan of bringing 50,000 US students to China as incredible.
And can you imagine what happens when American students go to China? I think great things are going to happen because there's a collaborative spirit that is going to happen, which will benefit both China and the United States. Our goal is to send more people to China so that they can actually become very good global citizens.